Now, the Kannada pride war intensifies. Kannada outfit, Kannada Rakshana Vedike there gives Yediyurappa government 30-day, in fact, November 30th there, a deadline to take back its decision on forming the Maratha board. Kannada outfit issues a stern warning saying that they will observe statewide Bandh on 5th of December if the decision to form the Maratha board is not scrapped. Chief Minister Yediyurappa in the meanwhile has hit back, warning them of strict action if Bandh is enforced. Karnataka Development Authority and Kannada activists are now up in arms protesting against the formation of Maratha Development Authority. Karnataka government had decided to form a board for Marathi-speaking regions ahead of North Karnataka by-elections. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has now courted controversy after laying claim to 3 districts including Belagavi, which have significant Marathi population there.
ಗಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅವರು ಕೂಡಲೇ 30 ತಾರೀಕು ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಲ್ಲ 5ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಅಖಂಡ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಂದ್.
ನಾವು ಮರಾಠ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಬಲಾತ್ಕಾರದ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕಟ್ಟುನಿಟ್ಟಿನ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು ವಿನಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Heading across to Nolan Pitter joining us live. Nolan, here we're looking at the Karnataka Rakshana Vedike. They are protesting, stepping up their attack against the Chief Minister, giving him an ultimatum saying that by 30th of November, if they don't scrap the Maratha Welfare Board, then they're going to have a statewide Bandh on the 5th of December. It seems like the anger is mounting while you have Karnataka that's reeling that eventually reeled under the crisis of floods. Even now, a lot of the flood relief funds have not yet gone in that direction, but here is a Maratha board that's been set up to for the welfare of the Marathi-speaking community in Karnataka. The Kannadigas there, Kannada Rakshana Vedike, is saying Kannadigas itself are feeling deprived.
Well, Nabila, what many people, especially the opposition, is saying is that what the BJP is doing is basically what they did in Sirra. They too, a development authority or a development board was set up for one of the communities over there, and it basically helped them. So they are actually basically trying to do the same thing for the Basava Kalyan by-elections. In fact, the dates have not been announced, but you have a sizable number of Marathas in Basava Kalyan. So what they say is that with the Chief Minister now announcing the setting up of the Maratha Development Authority, they will be able to actually manage to secure that particular constituency. However, the pro-Kannada activists very clearly state that especially in Kannada Rajyotsava month and with Karnataka and Maharashtra, there's the ongoing border issue. This is completely unacceptable. In fact, Nabila, it's not just December 5th. In fact, in the next few days, the pro-Kannada activists want to stop all vehicles from entering Karnataka or from the Maharashtra border. So this issue is actually going up, and they say that on the 5th there will be a bandh, and if the government still does not take it back, their agitation will continue.
Right, Nolan, thank you very much for joining us with those details. It seems like the situation they're heating up in Karnataka over the Maratha board.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.